Tuesday, 8th of July. This is what we come for, some sailing. Last night I fell asleep with the mainsail fully set, which is a big no-no when you're single-handed. Woke up in the middle of the night, hit by a squall, 30 plus knots of wind, pushing the mainsail on the mast. Boat surging forwards, the nutcase out of control. It was magnificent. Well, it would have been actually if I hadn't been pooing my pants. It took me half an hour, 40 minutes to get the sail down, and then we ran on bare poles for an hour and a half before I could get a bit of Genoa out. Had to leave the mainsail as it was, thought it was battens had broken. When daylight came, checked it over, it was alright. Wind calmed down a bit, got the mainsail up, bang, we've been off ever since. We had a little calm spell for an hour, about lunchtime GMT, about after 5 to 1, something like that. I put the motor on and charged the batteries for an hour, and then as soon as I stopped that, off we go. We're coming home, but hey! Could be in time to go on your birthday trip, right?